You see a program on the screen. Every part of this program has been explained in detail, and you can see these things in the previous video. Here in this video we will learn two things. First is how can we copy the data of the data lying under this struct keyword into some other variable, struct variable. And the second thing is we will learn here the use of pointers. Suppose you are requested to use this printf function to show an output, but you are not allowed to use this word MSC. How can you do this? How can you do that? Okay, remember the question. For that we take another struct variable, struct institute, and here I take some other variable p, and this p is made equal to MSC. If you type this extra C statement, now there is no need to write here MSC. Here I can write P. This shows that the whole data, you see there are three data. These three data have gone to this P. So by this action we copy all the data using only one C statement into some other struct variable. Here that name is P. Let us check whether it is working or not. I run this program to verify, and of course you see the result is the same. You can check. Here you see the output is A, the same output. Okay, now let us check for the other data, because you see that in this there are not only one data, there are three data, you see. So we must check this 19. We will check for this 19, and you see 19 is the first entry, and you can check that here the first entry belongs to this roll number. So to get the value 19 as the output, I have to replace this name with roll number. So I have to type here roll number. Okay, so in this time the output here I have replaced. Earlier this was name, now it is roll number. So here is the roll number. So according to our scheme we should have 19 as the output. Let us see whether we are getting 19 or not. Here I run. Here you see there are two character, inverted character. So this is not giving, and you may think that our this program, our this concept is wrong. This is not wrong, this is correct. Then you may ask me that then what is the wrong? I show you the wrong thing. You see here the roll number, I have typed here this thing to get the roll number, and you must remember that roll number is an integer, and for that, here I have defined, I have declared, I have taken the variable roll number here under the keyword int. So you must remember that the format specifier for the integer is %d, not %c. So here it will be d, and now you will get the right output. And you see, you can check, you can observe that it is giving the right output now. Here is the output. So okay, so by this action we knew how to copy the data of a variable into the other. Now we must learn the second thing. The second thing is the use of pointer. Use of pointer, and we should learn that. Now pointer means, I will take one more. Here I have taken p, and this time I will take some other variable, a struct variable, a struct institute, and this time I take star q, and you should remember that this type of thing, star q, star c, refers to pointers. And earlier, if you observe this thing, there is no place where you see a star, but here is the star thing, and this indicates that here there will be use of pointer. Now you are again requested to print this function, to use this function printf to show an output, but this time you are not allowed to use here, you are not allowed to use here either MSC or this P. You cannot use any of these two, MSC and P. You have to use Q, this Q. You see, under the blue background Q, you have to use this thing Q. How can you print the same thing 19? I show you. For that, since this Q is a pointer, and in a struct, whenever you use a struct thing, then for that, here I will use Q, because you are requested to use Q to show the same output, and thereafter for the pointer thing we use this arrow Q. This means that the roll number lying inside Q. So this you may read, you may say like that, but to understand, only to understand, and if you do, then you will get the same output. Something is wrong. Yes, I show you this time as well what is wrong. Here I have declared this star q, but I have not given this queue a value, a set of value. I have not connected this queue with MSC. Here you see. So I have to connect that. Only then this will show you the same result, that is 19. And you know, whenever you connect a pointer, then q is a pointer, so you use this ampersand thing, ampersand. What will be the next thing? Next thing will be MSC, because you have to take the data from MSC. So this q has been related with MSC, and now you can check that there is a difference. You see here, P has been related with MSC, and here q has been related with MSC. Both are different, both relations are not equivalent. You may observe that, because in this situation, in the new situation, q is a pointer. So for that I have used here the ampersand thing. Now it will give the same output. See, yes, you see the 19, the output as was in the earlier output. The earlier output and this present output is the same. One may say that, one may doubt that, no, it will not work for all the, it will not work for all the data. There are three data, you see, one is 19, here you can check, one is roll number, second is name, and the third is percentage. Okay, this time I do the same work for the percentage. So here percentage will be typed, so I type percentage. I typed there, and you must remember the keyword here. The keyword is not int, it is float, and for the float, you know, the format specifier is f. So here I should type f. I typed f there. Now it should give us this value. According to our scheme, we should get 67.1. Now I go to run this program and see whether we are getting 67.1 or not. I run this program and you see, obviously we are getting 67, but this value is something different, but it is approximately to 67.1. So these two concepts we must keep in our mind. These are very important as we go to learn the next videos and the programs in those videos. Okay, thanks.